Hey everyone. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a form, a Google form. So let's get to it. First thing you're going to do, you're going to head over to your Chrome or your browser. Okay, we're already here, but let me show you what you're going to input. This is where you're going to press docs dot google .com slash forms. Here it is. Just tap on it. And then here we are. So this part written untitled form is the title of our form. So we are going to just impute the title. And then erase this. So on this title we can make it bold. Here it is. You press this B. You can make it bold. You can make it down the line. Do all sorts of. But I just want it bold. So let's go to our form description as well. Form description. Write about like what you want people to know about the form. Okay, we'll just leave it that. Now let's make this bold as well. You can also do this if you're listing something, or this, anything you want. So we're also going to change it. We change on its own. Now let's go to our first question. Now, name. Now, for the person to be able to, for your responder to be able to answer this question, what you're going to do is you can't put it in multi-choice because you don't know the person's name. So you just put in short answer or paragraph. But short answer is fine, just like 2 lines is okay for name. So once you put in the short answer, your responder will be able to type in their answer. And if you want to make a question compulsory, like you want to make sure it's a very compulsory question, press required. When you put on this required, whoever is responding to your form will not be able to submit that form until they answer that question. Alright, now to add another question, just press this plus at the bottom. Then our next question is going to be age. Just put age. For age, you can put in your multi-choice or check boxes. Let's just put it as short answer. Make it required. Make it a required question. Same thing. Alright. just put in now. Now you see the way this multiple choice is showing. What it does is when your responder wants to respond to or wants to answer this particular question with a multiple choice, the person will be able to only pick just one out of all. For example, let's assume someone else is filling that form. When it gets to this part, the person won't be able to type in their answer because I didn't put it to short answer text or paragraph. So the multiple choice, if you're from Osun State, you just tap on Osun State or Ogun or Enugu or Kwara, just type it in. So that's what this does now. Okay. In this case, you can also use short answer or paragraph. A paragraph will make like it's a long answer text. Or for this checkboxes, this is what checkboxes does. Person will be able to just check boxes and like you'll be able to check boxes like a lot of answers. Let's say you listed 10 things, you can take all or just take few. But with multiple choice, they can only pick one thing. Alright, let's for example, a parent or someone is filling this form, person can take SS3, SS2, and SS1. So now let's get to and also you can also add like a photo to a question. Insert image. You come to this is what you press. Either you press this or you press this. This. And there's so many ways to insert images. Okay, you can upload when you upload and you press browse, it will take you to your gallery and you select the picture or pictures you want to add to the form. But on webcam, you're going to have to use your camera maybe to take a picture or so. But by URL, you copy the URL of an image and then you paste it in and then it inserts it. Photos, same thing, it goes to your gallery. Google Drive, to take it to your drive and then you pick your image. Google Images, you search in Google maybe for a mountain image, land image, put it in. So we're just going to use upload. We go to browse. Photos and videos. Right, we'll just pick one of these. Wait for it to load. Here it is. And you can also left align center, move it to the center. You can right align, you can change it, you can add caption, you can even remove it. Okay. Let's just remove it. And then we can also change the background and the theme of our form. You come to this part, color palette, tap on it, and then you can change your font here, your header. You can change the font to I like this one. Change this. Now let's change and you can also add an image to your header. Your header, like for example, let's do this. Let's add something from here. Okay, let's go with this. And insert it. And you can also upload from your gallery if you have maybe like a logo or a picture or something you want to add on it. Here it's already selected color first. Let's just use it. See? It's looking so pretty. Now let's go to the most important part, how to publish and get your forms link, responders link. Now you go to this part looking like a link, tap on it. The form is unpublished, so currently nobody can respond. Now let's publish it so people can respond as anyone with the link. That's it. Publish. Now you can see the link is very long, so we'll just press shorten URL. That's it. And then you copy it, copy, done. Now you're accepting responses, set close date or response limit. So that's it. Now for you to know where to check your response, like when anyone responds to your form, for you to know when to or where to check it, you come to responses. No response yet, please check back later. You also have your settings. If you want the form to be like a quiz, maybe it's for a quiz, this is what you're going to press here. Responses. Manage how responses are collected and protected. Let's check. Now, if you, I don't know if you're filled a form or similar to this before, there are some forms that would require you signing into your Google account or your Gmail or whatever. So that is because the owner of the form made it compulsory. Now to make your form request for email addresses to res- like to record responses and all of that. To collect people's email addresses, you just come here. If you do not want it to collect, do not collect. If you want it to verified or responder input. Why this responder input will require the responders to manually enter their email addresses. But we can just put it on verified. Verified, if they won't have to type in their email addresses, they'll just be required to sign into Google. So now you can also make your form send responders a copy of their response if you want that. You can put it on when they request or always. I don't need that. So you can also allow response editing. Like after a response has been submitted, you can allow people to be able to edit their response after they've submitted. just tap it on if you want that or not. You can also manage how the form and responses are presented. You can show progress bar, maybe if the person has done it to 50% or so. You can also shuffle the questions and all of that. We also have what we call confirmation message. You can change what it's going to show. This is the default confirmation message. Your response has been recorded is the default one. But you can also edit it and type in what you want. And you can also show link to submit another response. You can also disable autosave for all respondents. So you can also make all questions required by default. So that's it. Now let's go back to, remember we've copied our responders link. Now let's see if our form is working. Now you can go to another browser to try this out, or you can just leave that place and paste in your responder link. Here it is. Tap on it. And here we are. This is how it's going to be for a responder. Look at the image I inserted. Look at where it's showing in the header. Look at it. Just the way I wanted. Tap in draft saved. You type in your name. Let's just put in uh let's just tap on this. You see that's multiple choice option. This is what it does. You can pick more than two. Sorry, you can pick more than one option. So yeah. Parents phone number. Let's just input something. Okay. You can pick two, you can pick three. See? Here it is. Now submit. Now, because we did not edit our confirmation message, look at what it's showing. Your response has been recorded. That's it. Now let's go back to us being the owner and see who responded. So we'll just go back to now. Now you see it's showing one response because I responded to the form. This is a summary. Who has responded? The email of the person who responded, the name they imputed, all the answers to everything you asked will be shown here. Their age, its state of origin, what I picked, everything, class. And you can also make it a choice for you just have to copy it. You can check if it's an individual question, everything. So that's it for today. I'm going to be putting the link for the Google form in the description. Okay? Right. Bye.